Hi friends, welcome back to my channel RS Education and Crafts. In this video, I am going to show you how to prepare a thumbnail maker in easy way. So for that you have to install one app in Play Store, that is Ultimate Thumbnail Maker. So give a click, and here I already installed it, so it came like this. So you can install, so I already installed, so open. So when you open like this, it will give you like this. It will give you 6 options. If you want to go to the guide for the ad thumbnail, here will be those, and you have to give a click on the first one, that is create thumbnail. So it will give you an ad. So don't press anything. So it will give you this background. So your background must be 16:9. So it is for thumbnail, no, it must be 16:9. So here there will be different backgrounds. So many types of backgrounds are there. So for everything, so here so many are there. Don't think these 3 only. Here see more will be there. So you can also see more. There are many, they are there. But if you don't like these all, then here color will be there up. So give a click on that color. So which color you want here, see, you can arrange any color. If you did not like that one, also you did not like any backgrounds here, so then give a click on any background. If you don't like, also you have to give a click on that background. Then here 51 will be there for someone, and for someone 60 will be there. Must be 60 only. Keep right. It will give you add close. So now it will give you like this. Up there will be some options. This is layers and undo. Next, eraser, import. Here down, text, sticker, image, effect and background. So if you want to change the background also, you can change here background. But if you did not like any backgrounds, here effect will be there. So keep opacity more. You can select anything like this. Have to select. So many types also will be there here also. So I have to select anything. So here here I am selecting this one. So then here top layers option will be there here. You're able to see, yeah. Give a click on that layers. So then keep your first text. So what text you want to enter? I'm entering moral story. Moral story by Adarsh. So here add and cancel will be there. If you want to cancel the text, you can cancel, or if you want to add, you can also add. So if you want to edit this, here edit will be there. Here see, you're able to see edit will be there. So here up controls will be there, fonts will be there. You can select any of your font, your favorite font, which one you like, you have to select. Yeah, I like this. So here colors and space will be there. You can change like this. So which color it is more suitable, you can give. So here this is letter space. If you want to give more letter for space, you have to do like this. No need, I want. So this is line space. No need. So here printing mistake, it is letter space, and this is line place space. Now opacity will be there. So text opacity, if you keep like this, it will not be visible and not nice. So keep full. Shadow will be there. So keep shadow, some only have to keep shadow. So it will be very nice if you keep like this. So why I am saying this, because so nowadays all are creating thumbnails. All are creating YouTube channel. So for that, what you have to do, Yeah, so many are disappointing themselves that I'm not getting any views, any likes, any subscribers. So why they are not getting means your thumbnail is not attractive or title is not attractive. So if your thumbnail is attractive, then they are able to say, wow, this thumbnail is very nice, I want to see. So like this they will see. So so the title of the video and the thumbnail of the video must be very nice, then only the viewers will get impressed. Like this, if you want to change background for this, it will be there. So I think I don't like this, so like this you can change. I don't want anything, so everything will be nice. So here I don't want. So you have to keep your thumbnail very neatly, then only all will get impressed of your letters of your thumbnail and they can watch your channel. So see how nice it is. Can increase the size also. So now stickers. So there are various types of stickers. So here there are transparent bubbles, birthday, flare, offer, sticker, travel, marketing, car, subscribe. So subscribe also, there are many subscribe options. So here I like this. You have to download this. Yeah, now give a click on that. Reduce the size and keep on one side. You have to keep down. So and then no need to change the hue and opacity also. Everything opacity must be 100%, because if opacity is 100%, then it is very clear. So here layers will be there. Up, lock it, lock all the layers. So now another stickers will be also there. So again go to that subscribe only. You have to go to that subscribe only. Here there will be like symbol also. Wait, I'll show you now. It will come. So this is a bell symbol. So if you want to keep, or if you don't want, means up delete button will be there. So you can delete this also. So there will be many stickers. So again see more. See. Like. So here see many followers. So many types will be there. So here I like to keep like symbol. So I'll keep like this and click the layers again and lock it. So while locking, you'll not move that object, you'll not make to move that object. So now flare. Flare means what? It will get some bubbles like this. Variety. Wait, I'll show you. This will take some time for downloading. Yeah, this is flare. It's very nice. See how nice it is. Now if you want to keep an image also, you can keep. Use gallery, use camera. So if you want to change background also, you can change. If you want to no need an object, here erase will be there. So you have to erase. You can erase also. So like this there will be many types of thumbnail. So I'll keep you in the next videos, or everything is useful for everyone. So my channel RS Education and Crafts. So after up there will be import, you have to click. So if you subscribe my channel, you will get such an amazing videos. Now ad will come, you have to close it. So please like and subscribe my channel. So after importing also, it will be in this app only. So WhatsApp, if you want to share to WhatsApp, you can share, or else anything also you can share. Yeah, with this we can complete our thumbnail making. So now here see my save image will be there, no? So you can click on that my save image, and yeah, now only just be done now. Yeah, if you want to rate this application also, you can do. So yeah, now only we done this now. So I hope everyone liked this video. So please like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.